Hello, hi mga kapimat. At thanks for upline Miss Rachel Dayola for giving this opportunity. Success na po yung payment encashment ko and waiting na lang for raise. At sa mga want mag-payment, simulan nyo na super legit and one-time membership. Then unlimited payout through our upline Miss Dayola. Once again, thank you and have a nice day.